Autonomie. Grote weg.
Echt een lang kleintje onder, zei hij dat nou?
Ja.
African wild dog.
Yes.
Two of them. Probably the rarest animal in Africa.
Mm.
Oh.
Others are coming after.
Ja. Oh, hier is mooi.
Station is located Makanyani, Inco Road, very close to Bonabon Junction.
And what do they eat?
Meat.
Meat. Little mice and so?
No, not little mice and things. They hunt in packs. Eat impalas, wildebeest and things like that.
Mm.
Looks like they want to get Chris. Looks like.
Copy, I'll stop down here for drinks on the junction. I got you earlier on. They're not getting this way, huh?
Nah, looks like they turned around and wants to run sort of south-southeast now. Anyway, I'm on Inque Road, close to Wonderboom Junction. Going east now. That's affirmative, the big pack. They're more or less here where Alpha 5's water tank is by this little hill.
And they hunt together, the
They
deer
hunt
pack. He's eating insects that way, I think.
Sorry?
He's eating
Yeah, the ticks and fleas and
Yes.
things, just helping with the grooming of
Yeah.
it. Oh, that one's got an injured leg.
Oh yes, yeah. Zie je die daar aan komt huppelen? Kijk.
Wow.
Ja.
Ja, dat zie je.
No real swelling on it.
Yes.
I don't know if he maybe just got something in his paw stuck there.
Oh, that's